Let's do a live walk of the house. Fantastic lines, really nice, brand new, just built, with everything, all the space, all the class that you need to have a fantastic life in Florida. This house is brand new, just built, beautiful finishings. The art of Axiom Art Gallery and Consulting in the house. With first thing that we see when we arrive to the house is a fantastic high ceilings, nice finishings all over, really fantastic. It's a very comfortable house. It feels so big. It's really nice. In the wall, the Quen by Baca is also part of the collection. We can say it's for sale at $4,050. Martin Quen, excellent artist, and of course the house has a tremendous impulse. Let's take a look at the house. Just take a look at how big the house looks. You know, all high ceilings, almost 12 feet, both in the first floor and the second floor, with wide, ample spaces. The collection also that Axiom brought us include the Beckler, the dates. This beautiful flower motif, you know, giving life and space to the property. On this living room, family room area of about 70 feet long by 35, 36 wide, more or less, to have an idea. And you can tell how the space develops so well, transitioning from a living formal area into family room and the kitchen. Ultra modern cabinetry made for the house by Deca in Spain. With we can take a very quick look at this Sub-Zero freezer and fridge. That is basically all you need. Wolf appliances. Excellent work in the selection. One of the favorites on this cabinetry is the garage for appliances, for small appliances. Small appliance garage, I love it. And the finishes are really good. This window also has a very high rating review in everything that has in the kitchen. It gives you an indoor-outdoor experience. And something interesting that this house has, and it's not very frequent in Miami, gas. Beautiful, really nice. All the finishes you can see, cabinetry. All the cabinetry is finished, ready for you to bring your kitchen utensils, kitchen tools, everything you need to make your experience at home really fantastic. And of course, extended counter space, all integrated with a really indoor-outdoor experience. Open the window, I'll take you really fast to the garden, where the pool, it really takes over with a very nice space deck. All terrazzo Italiano on the floors, all over the house. This house, it was really built with a lot of care, thinking safety mostly, because it's anchored to the mother rock 45 feet under, and obviously see a pan of this beautiful garden space. Imagine all the plants are still new and growing very nice. I'm going to take some distance for you to have an idea of what we see in the back. Look at the house, it's beautiful, really pretty, brand new, never lived in. steel. Okay, there you go. Beautiful finishing. Great job integrating indoor outdoors in this property. Really, really nice. Walk around, jacuzzi area. And a very soft entrance to the pool. Perfect for people that is starting. And also the space in the deck is very nice. It has room for a summer kitchen. So you can completely have a great time with your family, privacy, space, everything that you need in this. Imagine this super wide, super long, ample space for you and your family to enjoy. Something else on the art that we're seeing on the walls. Here we are watching Magachin, Direction from Within. One of the works that are for sale, $6,900 is the price, tag price for this beautiful paint. One of my favorites in this house is this conversational space that the property has as part of the structurals. And also is the space reserved for the elevator in the event that somebody wants to put it. It's an indoor-outdoor experience space. Really, really nice. Let's go again. This is a total of 5 suites in this building, and we have one of the suites downstairs. Here we go. Also in Travertino, high ceilings, a full-size walk-in closet over there. We're watching Vice, an acrylic on paper from Axiom Studio, $3,700 is the tag price on that work, provided by Axiom. This bathroom is a full-size bathroom, and it's also used as a cabana bathroom because it has precisely an access from the outdoors through this door, connecting directly with the pool. Really, really nice. Beautiful space. We're walking right now 288 Ocean, brand new residence just built in Golden Beach, Florida. Really fantastic. Lots of space. We have here a toilet or a social half bathroom. Beautifully finished. Take a look at the finishings on wood. Amazing, really, really nice. Such a nice taste on the finishings on this beautiful property. The laundry room is here with full-size appliances. Great work of design. And we want to go upstairs, visit the top floor, where we want to meet additional 4 additional suites and the master suite. Look at this beautiful stairs, finished in glass and metal and wood. The perfect combination, really, and of texture, color, simplicity. Great work, really great work. Go a little bit the perspective. We're going to find more beautiful art provided by Axiom. It's Sebastian Azul. It's a photographic print. The price is $10,400. Wonderful work, really. Very intense. Gives a lot of character to the room. And the house at this point on the structurals have a tremendous space, really, between the master bedroom and the gallery, because it features here this fantastic deck. It's a yoga deck with very good dimensions, right? Perfect for relaxation, time. Open this experience with me. Beautiful space, indoor-outdoor experience, the presence of nature inside the house, and space for your gym equipment, relaxation, meditation time, only for yourself. Beautiful gallery, high ceilings also on the top floor, immediately with the other suites, but I need to give special attention to the master bedroom that has this very, very, very important entrance, a double door, really, high ceilings, as I was marking. We're walking 288 Ocean, more information at 288ocean.com. I'm really enjoying showing you live in Facebook this property. Is the best price new residence in Golden Beach, and we are in the master bedroom right now. There is Elizabeth. The name of the painting is Wave, giving character to this section of the house. Elizabeth, price $7,050, provided by Axiom 2. The house is priced at $3,899,000. The entire house was really inspired on a Gucci model, and Axiom took very good work at bringing works that will match this Stephen Wilson work, luxury in textile. But right now in the master bathroom, where also the indoor-outdoor experience is very important. I would like you to see how the shower works. Really fantastic. Very good finishings everywhere. We have here there we go. Okay, lots of space. Electric toilet, and what is really, really impressive in this master bedroom, without a doubt, is the tremendous space of the walk-in closet. Really impressive. More than 12 feet wide, high ceilings. Imagine the huge equipment that you can have here for your closet, and the master bedroom really is amazing. About 22 feet each side, with a private balcony, in a way that you can really, really enjoy life at home, space. I'll show you a little bit of your view. You have a beautiful skyline view, especially at night. It looks so nice. And you will see downstairs your own backyard with your pool. Really good. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna start walking into the other suites. $3,899,000, brand new, best price, brand new home in the entire Golden Beach area. 288ocean.com for more details. We have here suite number 3, junior suite, with full-size walk-in closet, a very nice view to a balcony, and also a full-size bathroom with very, very nice finishings. There you go. Hello, Casey. How are you? Thank you for watching. Casey Connors. Another fantastic work from Marlene London. Marbles on Blue, provided by Axiom, and priced at $8,000, is dressing the house. Okay. So I'm taking control of our motorized dolly here. We're walking through the house. We're gonna go into suite number 4. Very comfortable, very large, lots of light, lots of windows, beautiful view. A penthouse is on the wall in this room, prepared by Axiom. Catalina penthouse with silver lining, price of $7,800. Really pretty. And in this suite also we have a full-size bathroom following the style of the house. Same finishings in high ceilings, and behind this door is a walk-in closet. Storage here in this door, and let's turn on these lights to feature the latest junior suite. Have the closet there, comfortable. Great feature on the terrazzo floors, really. Full size. A full size bathroom. Really the perfect space that you need to. On the other side, the beach across the street behind those houses. Right. Excellent location, best schools in the entire area. You're able to take this amazing property in Golden Beach. I am Fernando Pettineroli, listing agent with Dezer Platinum. Feel free to contact me for any questions you might have at 786-505-4007, 786-505-4007 to sell or also to inquire about this fantastic property in Golden Beach. Thank you for joining us in Facebook live from 288 Ocean Boulevard, and please visit us at 288ocean.com.